I am from St. Vincent Political College of Engineering. This PPT is created by Aditi Vaidya, Alisha Mate, Kekin Arkhede, and Prachik Kursekar, and guided by Professor Swati Mirnikar. Our topic name is Dynamic Memory Allocation and Deallocation. Objectives are: it is a dynamic memory allocation function which is used to allocate the memory to complex data structures such as array and structures. Malloc function is used to allocate a single block of memory space, while calloc function is used to allocate multiple blocks of memory space. Outcomes: the main advantage of using dynamic memory allocation is preventing the wastage of memory. This is because when we use static memory allocation, a lot of memory is wasted because of all memory allocated cannot be utilized. Memory. Memory is the process by which information is encoded, stored, and retrieved. Encoding allows information that is from the outside world to reach our scenes in form of chemical and physical stimuli. Allocation. An allocation is something that you set aside for use. For instance, if you want to set aside a certain amount of hard drive space for an application, you can allocate how much you want to in the setting. Memory allocation. The placement of block of information in the memory system is called memory allocation. To allocate memory, it is necessary to keep the information of available memory in the system. If memory management system finds sufficient free memory, it allocates only as much memory as needed, keeping the rest available to satisfy future requests. If sufficient memory is not available, swapping of blocks is done. There are two types of memory allocation: static memory allocation and dynamic memory allocation. A. Static memory allocation. In static memory allocation, size of memory may be required for the calculation that must be defined before loading and executing the program. B. Dynamic memory allocation. Two methods are used for dynamic memory allocation: non-primitive allocation and primitive allocation. Malloc. The declaration of malloc function is void malloc size t size. The malloc function allocates a block of size bytes from the memory heap. It allows the program to allocate memory as it's needed and in the exact amount needed. Calloc. The declaration of calloc function is void calloc size in the items size t size. Calloc provides access in C memory heap. What is available for dynamic allocation is variable size block of memory. We were given here some examples, example 1 and example 2, and their outputs are there. Thank you.